At Jbc, soldering is never one size fits all. That's why we offer an industry-leading range of over 500 cartridges. C115 High Precision cartridge range, built for extreme accuracy, even under a microscope. Perfect for micro components and delicate rework. C210 Precision cartridge range, the ideal balance between control and power for SMD and conventional components. C245 General Purpose cartridge range, our most versatile cartridge range, from standard SMD work to high-power applications. C250 Solder Feed cartridge range, designed for continuous soldering with perfect alignment and consistent control. C470 Heavy Duty, built for intensive work and extreme thermal demands. Save this video and follow us for more soldering content.